So we're going to add roofing class. Roof. So arita sa kuan class, arita sa top of RV. Okay? Ngano diri man ta sa top of RV? Because diha magtungtong ato ang atop. We're going to create a roofing. Kung atong i-select si FFL sa butana, dito magtungtong atong atop. So need pa na to erase. So better nga diri na lang sa top of RV. Okay, so that's selected, top of RV. And you can see na siya walls. So for now, simple lang sa. To make lang sa kanang simple na shape of a plan like this one, or pwedeng na ibalik gamay, but make it 45, or rather perpendicular, 90 degrees lang. Okay? So, asa mang roofing ani, you go to architecture, then you go to roofing. You have options. For now, we're going to use roof by footprint option. Okay, you click that. So, roofing tool is now active. Now, we can use this option, picking walls. May na naman tayo wall. So, wall lang ito ang basihan sa for this one. Okay? So, it should be selected or pre-selected na daan. So, the overhang, ang overhang class, ato na siyang iset to 1. Okay? Normally, 1 man na siya. 1 meter or more. Balay-balay lang, 1 meter. So, overhang na class ha? Make sure define slope is checked. Kaya kung dili define slope, dili na siya mosaka. Okay? Now, you go to the plan, ato na rin siyang i-click ang wall. As you can see, na mo appear nga na broken lines, hidden line. Sa butana, ang iyahan ng gives. Overhang niya. So you just click the walls. Clicking the walls ng class, automatic na siyang mo connect. Kana. And take note, na siya mga triangles. So it's referring to the slope. Kung wala triangle, that means na dili siya mo slope. Yeah, ito ang purpose is to create deep roofing man. Okay, so dapat na slope. So we are done. Check na yun. Okay, so now this is created. Nalan siya slice. Okay, saya man ng sa plano ba. Okay. However, if we're going to check the 3D sample consistent colors lang, kita na to that is a hip roof. We'll check the elevation. Okay, like this one. Ato lang i-hidden line. Muna siya. Okay, so we are able to create a basic roof. It has a certain degrees yung roof slope, but we can change that. So how to change man? You just have to click this roof and then arita sa properties palette, ato na siyang i-change. Default is 36. Let's say atong i-20. Apply. So, bumubo siya. So, you experiment lang kay we're basing proportion man sa tuang sa ano. Tanaw na to, dili kay apa or dili kayo siya saka kayo. Balansi na to. Costing, proportion, budget. Okay, so meaning we can change it the slope as we explore. Tanaw na to, grabe kasaka sa itong pa-mobile. Tanaw na to, marag kulangan pa, mobile pa gini. So, mo na siya, no? Parametric niya si Revit, no? May naka-advantage niya is you can edit the parts as you design. Okay, like this one. Let's say, mo na siya to ang roof class. Ito lang pasakan gamay. Okay. So let's say that's your top of roof na. Okay. So in relation to your level, ato na siyang inaog. So pwede na to inaog si level by clicking the level. You pick the level and then atong yan na. Atong i-hold. Pwede ra po, you click level, then arigit sa move. This one move. Click on that. Then click on the part asa nimo gunitan si level and then ano. So sakto na siya. That's the top of roof na. Okay, so precise na siya. Ato ang top of roof is naka-base siya sa to ang slope. Meaning, imo pa ng patasa ng slope, ato sa nang i-adjust po na level. Okay, so that's it for now.